Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your cooperative bank account or Coop bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Coop Bank Login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option the link to the cooperative bank. Click on it. It will take you to this login portal, and over here enter the username of your account. And you can check mark this remember my username if you are using a private computer for further use, but I do not recommend doing in public or shared computer. And if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here forgot your login details to reset it. And once you do that, click on next. Once you do that, click on next. You will be redirected to the password section, and from over there enter your password and you will be logged into the cooperative bank. So this is how you can log in into your cooperative bank account. And to create a new account on cooperative bank, click here register for online banking. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.